Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today I decided to make what I'm craving, and that is nacho cheese. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a high protein vegan nacho cheese sauce. So this sauce is really versatile. You can use it for dipping, you can use it as a substitute for guac if you don't want to have guac, or you can use it also in your sandwiches and food prep. This sauce is so amazing, and it is really high in protein, which is really important to me because I'm trying to include more protein into my diet. So instead of using cashews or potatoes and carrots, which is kind of the traditional way to make this sauce, I'm going to be using some white beans, and these are of course really high in protein, and they are also a very mild flavor. So you can definitely add all the flavors into this, whatever you want to put into this. It's going to adapt to the flavors really well because the beans are so mild in taste. First off, I'm using a 16-ounce can of white beans. I'm also going to add 5 pieces of jalapeno. These jalapenos are mild, but I've tasted them and they are really, really spicy. So I'm only using about 5 pieces, maybe 1 ounce, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of the liquid that came in the can. These are pickled jalapenos, and the reason why we want to use the pickled jalapeno is because that's the traditional flavor in nacho cheese sauce. If you want, you can definitely use fresh jalapenos, but I would go with this flavor because it tastes like that movie cinema sort of taste where you have the jalapeno brine. Next, I'm using nutritional yeast. This is such an important part of this recipe. I would not make this recipe without this because this provides some really nice cheesy flavor. Unless you're going to be using some vegan cheese alternative that you buy in your store, that's okay, but this provides a lot of flavor, really nutty, cheesy flavor, and it also provides you with some B12, so that's important for me. I'm also going to put in 1/4 of an onion. This is going to give it a lot of flavor. For my spices, I'm using cumin, paprika, turmeric, garlic and onion powder, and some salt. And to thicken the sauce, I'm going to be using some psyllium husk. A lot of recipes call for flour or gluten-free flour, but I find that psyllium husk provides a lot of fiber, so we're kind of keeping it tied into making this as nutritious as possible but tasty. Now for my Nicaraguan secret ingredient, I have chile. This is homemade chili, and it's a vinegar-based chili that has a ton of onion and something that's called chile congo, which is this little round, tiny chili that is really, really spicy, but it gives such nice flavor. I'm not putting any of the actual chili in it. I'm just gonna be putting the vinegar, which is already flavored with the onion and with the chili. So to this, I'm gonna add 2 full tablespoons. And I'm also going to add fresh lime. We need a little bit of sourness to the sauce to give it that nice cheesy component. And for my liquid, I'm using 1 full cup of homemade oat milk. I put 1 full cup of water into my blender with 1/2 cup of oats. I blended it, and then that's pretty much it. I don't even strain it because this is going to be a sauce, and the oats actually help to thicken the sauce anyway, and it makes it for a really nice flavor. It's super creamy and thick, and it's got a beautiful color. Oh my God, that's so good. Absolutely perfect. It doesn't need any more salt or lime. It just tastes really, really good. So now we're just gonna plate it. I am gonna garnish it with jalapeno, my mom's favorite thing to eat with nachos or anything like that, like corn chips. She loves jalapeno. So I wanted to top that with jalapeno to let her know that there's a lot of jalapeno in here just for her. So that's it for this recipe. It is so quick and easy to make. It's full of fiber and protein, but it also has a lot of flavor, and it has really, really good saucy, cheesy texture. I'm gonna eat mine with some flax and chia tortilla chips that I found in my local supermarket. I'm gonna try it. how perfect that looks. Yum. It's so good. Yum. And this recipe is also super affordable. You can make it at any time during the day. These are things that you probably have in your pantry already. And what I love about this recipe is that it's versatile. So if you wanted to add, let's say, some coriander, if you wanted to add some fresh cilantro, you could do that, some red pepper to give it some brighter red color and some flavor. This is the perfect recipe. It's a blank canvas for you to add whatever ingredients you want to it. So that's it, I am done. I'm gonna continue eating and I'm gonna go have lunch.